Group 1 elements are the elements that can be found at the far left in the periodic table, and these are Group 1 elements starting from lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. These elements all have their reactivity due to the presence of one electron in their outermost shell because these are group 1 elements. So they tend to lose this electron and form ions, and these ions will form ionic bonding with non-metals. Down the group, the reactivity will increase. So they are less reactive at the top and more reactive as you go down the group. The main reason for that is because of the increase in the size of the element as you go down the group. And the reactivity is due to how easy the element can lose the electron to form the positively charged ions. So as you go down the group, the outermost shell electron, which is lost, is further away from the nucleus, so it's less attracted to the positively charged nucleus, so more easily lost. So the reactivity down the group will increase. All of these elements are soft and they have low density, and the first three members of the alkali metals are less dense than water. Reactivity trend for alkali metals. So as you go down the group, reactivity will increase. The melting and boiling point will increase because of the size of the atom will increase. And the, of course, will be higher relative atomic mass as we go down the group. The main reactions of alkali metals, because they all have the same number of electrons in their outermost shell, they all tend to react similarly. So their reaction with water, they react vigorously with water to give hydrogen gas, which you can see as effervescence or bubbles produced, and metal hydroxide. The balanced equation for this is a reaction between sodium, for example, as one of the alkali metal, as a solid with water as liquid to give you sodium hydroxide aqueous and hydrogen as a gas. As you go down the group, the reactivity will increase and that will make the reaction more violent. The second reaction is reaction with oxygen. So alkali metal tend to react with oxygen to give metal oxides, and different metals will give different oxide depending on the nature of the metal. So lithium will give you only one oxide, which is lithium oxide, Li2O. Sodium will give you a mixture of sodium oxide and sodium peroxide, Na2O2. Potassium will give you a mixture of potassium peroxide, K2O2, and potassium superoxide, which is KO2. They also react with halogens, for example, chlorine. So they react vigorously when heated with chlorine gas to give metal chloride salt, which are going to be white solids. The reactivity again increases down the group, so the reaction will become even more vigorous. The balanced equation is when you react sodium as a solid with chlorine gas, it's heated with chlorine gas, that will give you sodium chloride